Devansh Srivastava, and I want to share an innovative idea that will avoid injuries to batsmen as well as close-in fielders to the back of the head as well as the neck by using a simple grill on a regular cricket helmet. I will exhibit how my idea will prevent injury to the back of the head and on neck of batsmen and close-in fielders. For close-in fielders, while the face is protected by the front grill, my idea will provide protection to the side of the neck and back of the head. Similarly, for the same is applicable. Similarly, for the batsman, the same is applicable. Now I will show you how this grill has been fitted. There is no modification that is required in the helmet. Just fit the grill facing backward like this and give a support with a metal strip that can be designed very easily. I have used something which was available in my house just to demonstrate. As you can see, the grill can be adjusted as per the requirement of individual players very easily depending on their height and neck length. This reinforcement with the metal strip also makes the back protection grill very sturdy. The metal strip should be fitted to both sides to provide sturdiness to the rear grill.